In today's video, I am going to teach you how to increase open rate in Activecampaign. One of the best ways to improve open rates is to make your emails feel more personalized, and also to test what subject lines actually work for your audience. Today, you will set up a campaign in Activecampaign using a few key features, including subject line split testing, merge tags, conditional content, and send time personalization. First, log into your Activecampaign account. When you open the site, make sure you sign in successfully and land on your main dashboard. This is important because the rest of the steps depend on having access to your campaigns area and the settings inside your email builder. Next, go to Campaigns, then select Campaigns and click Create a Campaign. As you do this, look for the button that clearly starts a new campaign. Clicking Create a Campaign is the point where you begin building the exact message that will go out to your contacts. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, since Activecampaign can have multiple campaign-related sections. Now, once you are inside the campaign creation screen, you will choose the feature for testing your subject lines. Use the subject line split testing feature. This is where you tell Activecampaign to test multiple subject lines with portions of your audience. The goal is to learn which subject line earns more opens, so you can use the stronger one for better performance. If you see an option to add 2 or more subject lines, select it and enter the subject line variations you want to test. After that, you will add merge tags and conditional content. This is a major part of increasing open rates because relevant and personalized messages tend to earn more attention. As you write your email, look for the area where you can insert merge tags. Merge tags let Activecampaign pull in contact-specific information, such as a first name or other available fields. Then, conditional content helps you show different content depending on conditions, such as what the contact matches or which criteria they meet. When you use merge tags and conditional content together, the email feels more targeted, even though it is being sent to many people. At this point in the process, focus on how your content will appear for different contacts. If your email includes conditional sections, make sure each condition is set up correctly and that the content makes sense for the audience that will receive it. Also, double-check that your merge tags are pointing to the right fields. This step matters because personalization only helps if it is accurate, and conditional logic only improves results when it is configured properly. Finally, enable send time personalization. This setting helps Activecampaign send your email at a time that is more likely to be effective for each contact. Instead of sending everything at one fixed time, Activecampaign uses engagement signals and timing behavior to choose a better send time for individual recipients. When you enable this feature, look for the option and turn it on within the campaign settings or the send configuration area, depending on where the interface places it in your version of Activecampaign. Once send time personalization is enabled, you can review your campaign details to make sure everything is consistent. Confirm that your subject line split testing is ready to run. Verify your merge tags and conditional content are included in the email, and check that send time personalization is active. When you are satisfied, proceed with the normal next steps for your campaign, such as saving and preparing to send. And that covers everything you need to know. By using subject line split testing, adding merge tags and conditional content, and enabling send time personalization, you are setting up your Activecampaign emails to be more engaging, more relevant, and more likely to earn opens. And that is all there is to it.